Question number 63. Here given a quadratic equation. Okay, equation is x square minus 2a plus 3 x plus 4 to the power n is equal to 0. Okay, so this is a quadratic equation. It has two roots. Okay, if suppose I consider this one general equation x square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. It has two roots and the discriminant is of this b square minus 4ac. Okay, if it has next condition is this equation have real and equal roots. If this equation have these two roots, if these two roots are equal, then this discriminant is 0. Similarly, given that this equation has two equal roots, okay, so discriminant is, so this is our b, so b square, so this is 2a plus 3, so this is our b square minus 4 into a is 1, c is 4 to the power n, so this equals to 0. So this implies 2a plus 3 whole square is equal to 4 to the power n plus 1. So this can be written as 2 to the power 2 into n plus 1. Okay, so this implies 2a plus 3 is equal to plus 2 to the power n plus 1 or minus 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay, so if we take first only this positive, then we have to choose an n in which left hand side equals to right hand side. Similarly, if we take this is equal to minus of this, we have to find choose a and n in such a way that these two left hand side and right hand side are same. So first consider this one, 2a plus 3 is equal to 2 to the power n plus 1. Okay, so here if we take here a is equal to minus 1 and n is equal to minus 1, then this side becomes, so this is minus 1, so this is 1, and this side becomes 2 to the power 0, this is 1. So minus 1 and minus 1 is a solution of this equation, and for a is equal to minus 1, n is equal to minus 1. If we consider this one, 2a plus 3 is equal to minus 2 to the power n plus 1, then if we take n equals to a is equal to minus 2 and n is equal to minus 1, then if a is equal to minus 2, this side is minus 1, and if n is equal to minus 1, this side also minus 2 to the power 0, so this is minus 1. Ultimately left hand side equals to right hand side. So for this one, minus 2 minus 1 is a solution. This minus 2 is for a and this minus 1 is for n. So in these two solutions, n are same and this equals to minus 1. So the question is, how many integral values of n the quadratic equation have real and equal root for x? So here n is two solutions but n is same, so only one values of n, so our correct option is B.